So the first surah I'm going to read for you is Surah 9, 48. They try to stir up conflict among you. And then if you go down to Surah 9, 50 to 59, it tells you a little bit more about what the hypocrites are like. When times are good for you, they grieve. But when some tragedy strikes you, they say, we took proper precautions beforehand. And they go away rejoicing. Say, we are only affected by what Allah has decreed for us. He is our protector. And believers put their trust in Allah. Say, are you waiting for anything besides good things to happen to us? Say the hypocrites. Oh, you know. We are also waiting with you for Allah to inflict on you some punishment, either by himself or at your hands. So carry on waiting, we'll wait as well. Say, whether you give willingly or unwillingly, your charity will not be accepted, because you are disobedient people. Since they do not believe in Allah and his messenger, their charity will not be accepted. Furthermore, they'll come lazy, and prayer will give charity grudgingly. Don't be impressed by their wealth and children. Allah wishes to torment them and in their worldly life, and allow their souls to perish as disbelievers. Well, if we go over to Surah 9:56, shows you that they are in it just for themselves. They swear by Allah that they are with you all the way, but they aren't with you. They are cowardly people. Where they find a place to flee to, a cave or an opening they will turn to, as they run away from the truth. They like to group together, gloat in their evil ways. Surah 9, 64. The hypocrites are afraid that the surah may be revealed about them, informing them and the rest of the Muslims what is in their hearts. Say, keep mocking Allah. Allah will produce what you most fear. If you ask them about some incident, they will say, we were just discussing and having fun. Say, are you mocking Allah, his verses and his messenger? Don't make excuses. You have clearly disbelieved after declaring belief. Even if we choose to forgive few of you, we will punish the rest because you are sinners. Hypocrites don't walk the talk. Surah 9, 67 and 68. Hypocrite men and women stand by each other. They enjoy evil and forbid good and are tight-fisted. They ignore Allah, so he will ignore them in the hereafter. The hypocrites are disobedient. Allah has promised the hypocrites, men and women, and the disbelievers, the fire of hell to be there forever. That is good enough for them. Allah has cursed them. They will suffer endless torment. So, little message to the hypocrites. Surah 9:69. Hypocrites, you are like those before you, but they were more powerful than you, and had greater wealth and children. They enjoyed their share of worldly comforts, so you enjoy your share just as they did before you, and go and indulge in idle talk, and just like they did. Their deeds are worthless in this world and the hereafter. They were the losers. So remember, don't be a hypocrite. Believe and you will have your paradise. Surah 9:71. Believers, men and women, are one another's friends. They enjoy what is good and forbid what is evil. They perform the prayer, pay zakat. They obey Allah and his messenger, so Allah will take care of them. Allah is almighty and wise. 72. Allah has prepared for the believing men and women gardens under which rivers flow, where they shall live forever, and in comfortable homes enclosed by gardens of everlasting bliss. And the divine pleasure is the greatest reward of all, the supreme achievement. So I know what I would rather have.